In this third question, I have to find the value of k for which x minus 1 is a factor of px in each of these given cases. So basically x minus 1 will be a factor of px if p1 is equal to 0. So this is what I have to, this condition is what I have to apply in each case and hence determine the value of k. So let's do it for the first polynomial. So the first polynomial is px is x square plus x plus k. So that means that p of 1 will be equal to 1 square plus 1 plus k, which is 2 plus k. Now this should be equal to 0 because x minus 1 is a factor of px. Hence by the factor theorem p of 1 needs to be 0. So 2 plus k is equal to 0, which means that k has to be equal to minus 2. So that's the value of k in the first part. In the second part, let's calculate p of 1 again. So p of 1 in the second case will be obtained by substituting x equal to 1 into the second polynomial, 2x square plus kx plus root 2. So that is equal to 2 times 1 square plus k times 1 plus root 2. So this is equal to 2 plus k plus root 2, and again this has to be equal to 0, which means that k in this case will be minus 2 minus root 2. So this is the value of k in the second part for x minus 1 to be a factor of px. Now let's go to the third part. In the third part, p of x is this polynomial kx square minus root 2x plus 1. So let's find p of 1. So p of 1 will be k times 1 square minus root 2 times 1 plus 1, which is equal to k minus root 2 plus 1. So again this should be equal to 0, which means that k should be equal to root 2 minus 1. So this is the value of k for the third polynomial if x minus 1 has to be a factor of px. Now let's go to the fourth part. In the fourth part, px is kx square minus 3x plus k. So p of 1 will be equal to k times 1 square minus 3 times 1 plus k. So this is equal to k minus 3 plus k, or this is equal to 2k minus 3. Now again this needs to be equal to 0, which means that k has to be equal to 3 by 2 for x minus 1 to be a factor of px in this case. So this solves question 3 of the exercise. Now let's go to question 4. To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.